Hello everyone, to Niche, and I forgot there was a predator there. Sorry if I cough. And you might notice that the audio quality is better now because I got a new microphone. It only took me a year of saying I was going to get a new microphone across all of my other channels to finally get a new microphone. Priorities. Okay. Fin for paw. Why would I name a creature that? And are they mates? Yeah, I think they're mates, so. Sun that shines at night. I'm just trying to remember who everyone is right now, because it's been literally forever. And then we have our alphas. We have moss that falls from tree and mud that slides off cliff. Oh wait, did I say clings to tree? Moss that fell from tree. I'm filming this kind of late in the evening and my head is kind of fuzzy. I'm sorry. And that isn't a member of our tribe. I guess all we can do is make the day. Okay, first off, heal her. Seriously. We really can't get rid of this creature, can we? Nukiru. I'm going to change his name anyway. And I'm running out of names. And feel free to suggest names. Stump of fallen tree. This is actually a good moment to. Dust that cloud air. Sun that shines at night. Berries that fell from bush. And let's call you I'm out of creative ideas, otherwise known as Bramble. Bramble that clung to fur. I'm out of good ideas. Okay. You can... Do we not have enough nesting material? Really? Seriously. Are we being followed by that thing? Okay, it's been like forever since I've played Niche. Forgive me, people. Oh no. I kind of feel like Stump would shove his sister out of the way. Like, tell her to grab this healing plant and run. And their mom can, clean her. And Dust will come help his brother fight off this creature. And hey, we got food because we were starving, quite literally. And let's bring them back over here, just because. Let's move that one out of the nest. Move her in the nest. And maybe since Sun already has a mate, she'll be our next leader. Because Moss and Mud still have quite a bit of time left. Is that a baby Barina? Okay, my voice is going to give out on me. Oh, great. Okay. Yay, we got... My voice is going to quit on me, isn't it? This is what I get for never talking. Berries, we need to have a talk. You don't make friends with the bunnies, you eat them, so... Sorry, but we can't be making friends with the rabbits. Let's send Bramble over here just to light up the area. Then let's see. Oh, they have spit snout. One of them has spit snout. Oh boy. Oh, the lovely spit snout. I want to call him Mole. Mole that tunnels... If I spell anything wrong, come back and fix it later. Through stone. Maybe that's how he got that smushed nose. The Mole decided to try digging through rock. And... he has a whooped paw, so I'm going to call him Fish That Swims Far. Okay. We have a Barina in our tribe. How lovely. Okay, I've never had a Barina in the tribe before. I guess they just disappear. And we're not going to have any more nichelings for a while because we're running out of food. Dust! We are completely overrun with rabbits. Kill it. Well, I guess we have one thing going for us. We have no reason to starve because we are literally surrounded by food. I guess that's a plus. Really need to get Claw into our genetics soon. And you can work on trying to get Claw. You actually clawed that bush. Congratulations, you're not 100% useless. I'm sorry guys, but my throat is not wanting to cooperate with me today. And you can come here. You can come here. And I see the tribe's a pretty good size. Okay, I think we just lost Mud. So, we just lost one of our tribal leaders. Bramble, since they look kind of like he'd cling to his sister. I'm too lazy. I'm just gonna call her Smoke. Yes. If my keys would work for me. I feel like the twins would wander off towards the shore because they have these wonderful webbed paws that were given to them by their father. And I won't think they would spend their time playing around the seashore. In all actuality, can we get one of the females somewhat over here? Let's have you come up and destroy these toxic berry bushes, because we don't need anyone getting poisoned. Melanism? What? Huh? What? Huh? I'm confused. Does Smoke have melanism or something? Huh? Oh, she is. I was confused. Okay, and meanwhile, Berries is just going to continue to chase the Barina because reasons. Even though that Barina's mother pretty much almost killed her as a little cub, nicheling, whatever the heck you want to call him. Man, it disappears. I feel like she'll be chasing the Barina for a while. Because these two are just going to continue to play down here. Maybe they'll unlock the beak for us. And maybe they'll try fishing. I don't know if they actually can fish. They might try and pathetically splash around for a bit. There's a crab in that nest. Because why not? Poor Berries is going to continue wandering. I feel like her brother would accompany her. Who is this? I feel like Stump would follow her. Just like, okay, you want to chase down that Barino? Okay. Oh, is that a bird? Please take one gigantic step closer to your mother, please. I feel like Son would be like, okay, please come back now. That was far enough for you. Seriously, where did he go? At the same time, this group is just kind of scouting out and Moss is sort of like content that, you know, their lives are almost over and they're just going to hang out. I feel like she's showing little Smoke the ropes of how the tribe works. And if you guys have a better name for Smoke, if she's still alive by the end of this episode, please comment it down below. Let Dust sort of keep the nest in order and repair it. I'm literally choking on my own voice. I never talk, guys. I'm the quietest person in the world. So I can't help but think that's my problem right now, is that I just never talk. There is roughly 9 minutes left in this episode, so I feel like we should complete one more cycle, and then it'll be over. And our leaders have died. Just like we said, we would make Sun the new leader. Do you guys think we should like give them new names when they become leader? But kind of like Stone Tellers and Warrior Cats. So we're going to give our leaders blue gems so we can see them easier. And okay, I think her mate actually died. Oh, but she has found her oh so lovely Barina that she's been chasing. More like he found her. And I think that poor Mole is just going to dive headfirst into the water and just like swim around and try to dig some more. She will take up her spot by a berry bush and start collecting because she can. And Smoke, what is your genetics? I and C, B and E. You can mate with fish, but you have no paws, so let's work this out. I want normal eyes. And let's do runner leg. And now I'm going to try to do double runner leg on you. Oh, am I just one over now? Okay. Make the day pass. And Todd Duke. And I believe I'll end this episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Niche. If you have a name for Todd Duke, please leave it in the comment section down below. Again, I'm sorry for all my coughing. I am not used to using my voice at all. And it seems like we're going to have a bit of a problem when it comes to food. Our nichelings might die because they might starve to death. And that was a rogue male, wasn't it? I am genius. I am a genius. Let's see if we can get back over to this berry bush. Okay, guys. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just trying to do everything. Bye, guys.